Hello guys, today we are reviewing the Lenovo Stick 300. This is a pocket-sized PC with a full version of Windows 10 Home. So this cost me roughly 20 bucks used. I bought it online, and I also got a wireless keyboard and touchpad to go along with it. Make it a bit easier because you only got one USB port on this thing. So setting this beside, looking at the box is a little bit rough, but it's to be expected with used. So there's a little recommendation: use a wireless mouse and keyboard on the side. In the back there's nothing. On the front it just says it's built-in HDMI, wireless and Bluetooth, and yet again a USB port, which we're going to be plugging the doodad for the keyboard. Now, which is nice about this is, ta-da! It's kind of nice packaging, and putting the other box beside, you have full access to your pocket-sized PC. And this is the whole computer. It has a Atom quad core and 2 gigs of RAM with 32 gigs of storage. And on the side here, you got a micro SD card slot, a full USB port, and power input. So this is where you plug the power cord into to power this thing. Setting that beside, underneath the box, you have a tinier box inside. And in here, you're going to have HDMI extension. So say if you cannot just plug this straight in, doesn't have enough room, you can extend it, bend it, weird angles. Yeah, you get it. Power brick and power cord to power it. This is a pretty lengthy cord, which is pretty neat to include. Then you also have a mount which you stick this right in, and you can pretty much stick anywhere on the back of your TV or monitor. And that's pretty much for everything it comes with. Pushing the crap aside, the wireless keyboard isn't anything special. You just have a little touchpad over here and the keyboard. Power switch on the back. It takes 2 AAAs, and this I got for around 10 bucks. So this whole thing cost me 30 bucks for a Windows 10 computer and keyboard and touchpad. So let's plug it in and see how it performs. After booting it up, it's pretty snappy. Took about 5 seconds to power on. And going over to this PC and properties, we can see that it has a 1.33 gigahertz CPU quad core that turbos up to 1.83, which is pretty decent for what it is, and only 2 gigs of RAM, which is probably going to make it a bit sluggish. Jumping over Internet Explorer quickly, and Google loads pretty snappy, and jumping over YouTube. Taking a little bit to load, but it's to be expected on a machine like this. About 15 seconds, ain't too bad. Hopping over the search bar. And it's acting really slow in typing and response time. See how long it takes to search. Not too bad. Still usable. Going over my channel. Let's play a video, see how it works, or how slow it is. It defaults to 480p, but we're going to crank it up to 1080 to see what it's capable of. And you can hear that fan starting to kick on. Make it full screen. It's not too bad, but it is quite slow for what it is. At least it can play 1080p videos with ease. Well, not so much ease, but at least play them. And this machine isn't really meant for being something to stream videos on. It can do YouTube, it could probably stream on some Netflix and stuff like that. But this is probably more focused on productivity in such the way of like Word or typing up or doing schoolwork on, or just browsing Facebook. It pretty much can't handle anything more than that. But for the price, I can't really complain. It's not too bad, but also it's not good. So I would recommend it if you just need something light to do schoolwork on or just browse the web, but don't expect this to play any games or do anything beyond that. Thanks for watching this short little review on a Windows 10 TV stick or portable pocket-sized PC. And if you liked the video, drop a like down below. If you disliked this and thought this was a crappy video, leave a dislike. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. And thank you and have a good one.